Good morning, student of class 9. I'll teach you a biology portion, subtopic of cell. Here you have to study about the plant cell and animal cell. Whatever organs are related here, all I will explain through the paragraph or diagram. You will go through paragraph and diagram. Slowly I will explain there. Thank you. Okay children, let's start today's lesson. In the last class we did definition of cell, unicellular and multicellular organisms, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So children, today we'll study about the animal cell and plant cell. Here we have to study about the parts of the cell like plasma membrane, cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm. So first of all, I'll explain you about the structure of the cell. That is, this one is the first about the animal cell. Animal cells are generally small in size if we compare with the plant cell. Cell wall is absent here. Here is presence of only plasma membrane. So children, if you compare with the plant cell wall is present, and animal cell, plasma membrane is present, cell wall is absent. Except the protozoan Euglena, no animal cell possesses plastids. Only Euglena and protozoan there is presence of plastids, but other animal cell plastids are absent. Vacuoles in animal cells are many, small and temporary. Here is not shown also. Vacuoles are very small if we compare with the plant cell. Animal cells have a single highly complex and prominent Golgi apparatus. Here is Golgi apparatus is present in the animal cell, which is highly complex. Animal cells, there is presence of centrosomes. Centrioles is present in the animal cell. But if we see the plant cell, there is absence of centrioles. There is presence of cell wall. Okay, this cell wall is absent in the animal cell. In the plant cell, plasma membrane of plant cell is surrounded by the rigid cell wall. Here is also plasma membrane is present. It is surrounded by the cell wall. First cell wall, after that this one is the plasma membrane or cell membrane is present. Here plastids is present. So there is formation of chloroplast and grana. Most mature plant cells have a permanent and large central shaped vacuoles. Everybody you can see this one big structure. This one is the vacuole is present. Such type of big vacuole is not present in the animal cell. So children, plant cells have many simpler units of Golgi apparatus. Plant cells lack centrosomes, I already told you, and centrioles also absent in the plant cell. So children, here you have to understand about the differences between plant cell and animal cell. So I already told you about the parts of the cell. That one is, first I will explain about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, I already shown you here. This one in the cell, first which cover the outermost covering of the animal cell. That one is the plasma membrane, which surrounds the whatever contents inside the cell. Plasma membrane is a living, thin, delicate, elastic, selectively permeable membrane. This one is selectively permeable membrane. So children, plasma membrane and other membrane of cellular organelles. However, the development of plasma membrane electron microscope has made it possible to investigate the detailed structure of biological membranes. So children, its functions is to protect the entry of the other materials. So this plasma membrane is also known as the cell membrane. This plasma membrane is also known as the cell membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane. Why we have to tell this membrane is known as the selectively permeable membrane? Because this plasma membrane permits the entry and exits of some materials in the cell, but it prevents movement of some other materials. So this is known as the selectively permeable membrane. It does not allow inside the foreign materials to enter inside the cell. So children, next I'll explain you about the cell wall. Cell wall, I already told you that cell wall is present only in the plant cell. In the plant cells, there occurs a rigid cell wall which lies outside the plasma membrane. I already shown you plasma membrane. This cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane. First cell wall in the plant cell, after that plasma membrane. And whatever other parts of the cell is enclosed, inside the cell wall and plasma membrane. So children, the functions of this cell wall is the permit the plant cell to become turgid. It provides mechanical strength also. It is freely permeable to water and substances in solution. So children, you have to remember that all. Next is the nucleus. In the nucleus, there is presence of chromosome. Nucleus I have already shown in here also. Again I will show you. This one is the nucleus. Okay, here is the nucleus is present, and this nucleus is present in the plant cell at the center, animal cell at the center, but in the plant cell any corner, because in the plant cell vacuole, the size of the vacuole is large, so any corner nucleus is present. So children, nucleus is the surrounded by nuclear membrane. This nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Outside this is the nuclear membrane. So inside the nucleus there is presence of chromosomes. Inside the nucleus there is presence of chromosomes. Chromosomes are the thread-like structures usually present in the nucleus and become visible only during cell division. And this is inside the nucleus there is chromosome is present, and it contains the hereditary materials or hereditary information in the form of gene. Each chromosomes is made up of two components like DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and proteins. So children, you have to whatever hereditary materials from parents to offspring or children is carried in the form of this the gene, whatever material is contained in the gene. So next is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is the jelly-like substances present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. I'll again show to you this diagram. Cytoplasm is present between, this one is the cell membrane and this one is the nucleus. Between this, cytoplasm is present. And cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substances. Jelly-like substances. In cytoplasm, there is a various cell organelles are present, like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, vacuoles. These all are present in the cytoplasm. We'll study about that all the cell organelles, because without cell organelles, all the functions of the cell is not performed. So it is very important to study about the cell organelles which contain inside the cytoplasm. So children, next. So children, you all go through that paragraph and read properly and try to answer this question. Is plant cell living or dead? Why plasma membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane? Where are chromosomes found in cell? State their functions. State the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Write short notes in the following cytoplasm, nucleus of the cell. Okay children, good luck.